Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want to present my workshop one project. So this is my title of my project, which is Vehicle Insurance Management System. So first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Mohamad Hilal Alif, and my matric number is B0319101148. And I'm from course Bachelor in Science Computer Database Management, BITD. And I'm from section 1, group 2. So now I will proceed to the next slide. I'll go to the next slide. Okay, now this is introduction for my project. As you know, vehicle insurance may be described as a platform that reduce or get rid the risk of loss to life and property. So it is impossible for every human to fully accept for their property loss. So I create this system to provide the security, to provide more easier, to provide an easier path to the user. So insurance also will provide the security, and they will be protected in the malfunction or failure of the vehicle that they use, such as they got crash, car crash or accident. So but if they only go to the insurance company to buy insurance, it will be difficult for the user, especially the user is insurance staff, because the customer data can be lost. The chance will be the possibility will be very high for the customer data to lost. So now we'll go to the next slide. So this is my ERD, entity relationship diagram, and as you can see here, there is vehicle, insurance, staff, and customer. So here vehicle, so first here staff, which is the user that use the system. I'll put the attribute here, staff, first name, last name, phone number, email, and address, this is ID. ID I put as IC number. I set as IC number. And then this is customer. We have here attribute for customer first name, customer last name, customer name, a number, phone number actually, and customer email, customer address, license name, license type, and also license description. And this one is insurance. Insurance, we have attribute, insurance number, insurance date, insurance premium, insurance amount, insurance type, description, year, date, amount, description, type of cover, period of cover, sum covered, payment balance, and payment pay. And then this is foreign key that can refer to the vehicle and customer. So this is the last one. Vehicle. Vehicle, we have attribute, vehicle number, vehicle type, and vehicle description. And you can see here the relationship between the table, this table. So as you can see here, the relationship is when customer will go to the one or many vehicle, and then this is when vehicle will go to the one or many insurance, and then this is staff. When staff will go to the one or many insurance to handle. Okay. So now I will go to the next slide. So this is my problem statement for my project. So here stated that there are a few problems that always occur in vehicle insurance management system. Firstly, disorganized vehicle insurance management that provided by the system, because mostly of insurance system maybe disorganized, maybe the table or the option. So here I do some I do some improvisation. So later I will show. And then The second one is the difficulty to observe insurance expiry date. So here there is a date for insurance that you have been registered, customer have been registered. So you can see the date. And then lastly, vehicle insurance report is generated manually. So if the vehicle insurance report is generated manually, it will be possible to lose the data of customer of insurance that customer have been registered. So now I will go to the next slide. So this is objective for my program. So first one is to provide capability of add new data, or the another one is register into the system. Then we also can delete the unnecessary data, which is data that we will not use in. Therefore, the data can be updated also by user. This is one of the features in my program. So we will move on to the second point, which is to notify insurance expiry date. So customer will always be aware about their vehicle expiry date when logged into the vehicle insurance system. It is because in the system interface will be appear the expiry date. To generate vehicle insurance report automatically based on selected date, when user using the system, they're able to choose the date to get their insurance report on that day or another day based on the date that the user insert. So it's much easier for users, the user staff, to get the report as well. So I will go to the next slide. Okay, so this is my scope of project, which is the module to be developed is login, pick type of vehicle, build-in, the vehicle insurance form, and calculation of price. This is the main point. This is the main module that I want to develop. So in the login, we have insurance staff that in charge. They need to insert their ID and password before using the system. So after insert ID and password, they can log in into the system and do their job. Okay, and then the second one is pick type of vehicle. So insurance staff will enter the type of vehicle that customer choose to purchase, and then they fill in the vehicle insurance form, which is the insurance staff will fill in the form for a customer to register the customer insurance. So the last one is calculation of price, or the total amount, which is later I will show the demonstration for the calculation. So now I will go to the last one is target user. Target user is the insurance staff. So now we'll go to the next slide. Okay, the next slide is I want to show you my list of functions for vehicle insurance management system. So here the first one is login and register. So first of all, I have void login, which is staff need to log in into the system. And the next one, void register. If the staff has not been registered into the system, the staff need to register first. So the next one is customer. In customer, we have manage customer menu. So manage customer menu, we have another option, which is register customer, search customer, update customer, delete customer, and also view customer. And as you can see there, every option have their own functionality, which is for register, staff can register the customer. For search, staff can search the customer. Update, the staff can update. Delete customer, staff can delete the customer data. And view customer, also the staff can view customer data. And then I will go to the next one. So there is vehicle and insurance. For vehicle, it's just same as like the customer. We have manage vehicle and manage insurance option menu. So in the manage vehicle and manage insurance, also we have option. So there is, as you can see there, we have option for register vehicle, search vehicle, update vehicle, delete vehicle, and view vehicle. And same goes to the manage insurance, as you can see there. There is register, search, update, delete, and view. So the functionality also is just the same, as you can read there. Staff can register vehicle for customer, can search vehicle, can update the vehicle plate number, and every section of for the update vehicle, uh, the staff will update a different things, a different data, which is like vehicle plate number. The staff will update the plate number. For insurance, the staff can update the data such as like payment amount, balance, pay, and description. And then for staff and customer, they can update their phone number. So the next one, I will go to the next one. Okay, this is staff, I already explained. Staff have manage staff menu, and then there is option like add staff. Where add staff here is just the same like the register staff before you log in. But here, the another staff can add a new employee. So here you can add another staff, a new staff. So there is, you can see here there is update for staff also, and then the staff also can update their phone number. And then the last one is report and menu, which is in the report we can view the report based on the date that we choose, that we insert. And then the last one is menu, which is the menu is the first one when you go log in, and then there is main menu. The menu will display manage staff, view report, manage customer, manage insurance, manage vehicle, and then manage, and then the other one exit, like button exit, and then okay, and then my conclusion for my project. In conclusion, the system can be really helpful. This is from my opinion, because especially for those works in the insurance fields, because all features or function in my system was created based on what the user, especially the staff, wanted. So as a programmer, as a student of programmer, I really hope that the system can reach the user high expectation. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.